Are you looking to earn Temu credit and use it to make purchases within Gmail without worrying about the cost? It's easier than you might think. Just follow these steps carefully to make sure you don't miss anything important. Also, if you find this tutorial helpful, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. First, open your Temu account and head to the homepage. Click on your profile icon, then navigate to Settings. Ensure that your country and region are set to the United States, and the currency is USD. This offer may only be available in the United States. Return to the homepage and click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Select Lucky Flip to earn Temu credit. Follow the instructions to play a game and earn diamonds. You need 100 diamonds to receive 70 Temu credits. To earn diamonds, invite new app users to download Temu. Click on Invite new app users to Flip and choose whether to copy your link or code. Share this link or code with friends, family, or on social media. Once you accumulate enough referrals, you can redeem your Temu credits and use them within the Temu platform.